Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now this is a very interesting video, I'm not gonna lie. This is how to build a simple ping pong game in under 1 minute using ChatGPT-4. Now I did this game in ChatGPT-3, but I can imagine that in ChatGPT-4 it's pretty much the same, right? Now, as you can see, what the prompt that I gave is, can you show me a code in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for a simple ping pong game? Then it gave me a code in HTML, it gave me a code in CSS, and it started a code in JavaScript, but it actually cut off right here. So I said continue the JavaScript code, and then it gave me the rest of the code right here. Now what I did is I basically copy pasted the code in a live weave right here. So I basically copied the HTML, I copied the JavaScript, and then I copied basically the CSS code as well, right? And as you can see, pretty much the game actually started to play. I don't know why it stopped right now, so I'll just go here and paste the code again. Go here, and as you can see, I can actually play with my arrow keys right here, as you can see. So this is basically it, right? Obviously, you know, it's pretty damn impressive. Impressive to see this, right? And as you can see, game player 1 wins, right? Obviously, this is just a simple overview of a game, right? You can obviously do much more if you say, maybe you can go to ChatGPT and say, can you make the ball color red? Or can you make the ball color to change colors, right? Or something like that, right? And then, you know, it will give you the code for that as well. It's just insane what ChatGPT can do. I can imagine in a few years you will be able to build 3D games with ChatGPT. But this is pretty much it. This is how to build a simple game in 1 minute using ChatGPT-4. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.